Everybody, I'm Mary from CMLE, back to talk with you about more books. Now, yesterday, do you remember we talked about books that had ducks in them? Great. I love books with ducks. Now, this one, I don't know. I felt a little weird about this because this is all about bugs. Ugh. I'm not a bug fan. Now, I know a lot of people are. Are you a bug fan? You, raise your hands. Bug fans? All right. Good for you. That's probably a better way to be. But these are not regular bugs in this book. Instead, they are 3D printed monster bugs. Have you guys done 3D printing at school? It can be really fun. This doesn't usually happen. All right, so our book today is called Monsters Unleashed Bugging Out, and it's by John Cloffer. So we'll have this on our website so that you can get a hold of it. You could get it from Amazon, talk to your adults, or check it out from the library the next time you're there. All right, so in this one, the only thing worse than monsters is bugs. Billions of them. Ugh, ugh. I'm shaky just thinking about it. But when Freddie Liddell thought that he could catch a break, a new kind of terror invest his town. Slimy, disgusting, man-eating, self-replicating bugs. But they aren't just any kind of pests. These are 3D printed by Freddie's classmate, Trevor. Oh, Trevor, what were you thinking? These are stronger, faster, and meaner than any other insects on Earth. Now it's up to Freddie, his friends, and their pet monsters to stop these bad bugs before they devour everything in sight. The kids start crunching, stomping, smashing, but the bugs just get bigger. So can Freddie and his friends get the creepy crawlers to buzz off before the whole town goes splat? I don't know. What do you think? You're going to have to read the whole book to find out. But this is a fun book because, well, obviously, we've got creepy bugs. It's going to be an adventure, even if you're like me and you don't really want bugs in your house. But as you can see, when you flip through this book, really good illustrations. So it's a chapter book. It's pretty long. It's got a lot of pages in it, about 150. But they're really exciting pictures that I think make it all more fun. I'll tell you, this is a bug that they do end up making their own monster. He's half octopus and half aardvark, I believe. He's going to help them solve the problem. So, if this is happening in your town, if you had all kinds of crazy 3D printed bugs that somebody in your class did not do a good job with, you might want to make sure that you check out Monsters Unleashed. So the next time you're at the library, go tell your adult, you need this. It's going to be really fun. Now, have you ever 3D printed something before? If you want to write to us and tell us about it, that's okay. Or just sit down with your pen and your pencil and your notebook or your computer or whatever. Write a story about your own 3D printed stuff. We'll want to hear it, all right? We'll see you tomorrow with more book ideas. Bye-bye.